Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review one of the most popular mobile stand in Amazon, which is from Ambrain. This is with foldable design. As you can see that it is foldable, and telescopic height adjustment is there, which is very useful, so we can do that. And 0 to 135-degree perfect viewing angle, so you can adjust for perfect viewing angle as a ergonomics thing. So I will open it and show, and the price is around 499. I will tag the product so you can check it out. Then I will open it. So let's see how it looks like. So there is a nice packaging from inside, and let me open it. It comes around white color. It looks really nice, and there is a good finishing also, you can see here. So now I will just try to open it. See, there is a nice base, and from here there is a viewing angle adjustment. So you can see around 135-degree they are claiming. That is really good for the viewing adjustment. This is also we can adjust. For example, I will keep a mobile on here. See, it looks really nice on that, and you can also change the orientation, which like landscape mode. So that is a really good thing about this stuff, and it looks so quite premium from this side and quite rigid also. And there is a good gripping options are given 4 points here, so it won't slip it. And here you can see the Ambrain logo is there, and here is also a grip provided, so your mobile won't slip or fall. And there is also a support here. There is also a soft cushioning is given, so that it just won't be damaged. And here you can see different angles easily you can create, and it looks really nice on your study desk, as you can see here, study or work desk, anything. So without always holding the phone, you can use it with that. Not just phone, there are multiple devices, can be multi-device compatibility is there, and anti-slip base, and it is very charging friendly. So even if I put like here, so there is, you can also charge easily, so that is not a big deal with this stuff. So if you like this product, please give a thumbs up, and also if you want to purchase, in the video description I will provide the link for checking it out. And like, subscribe to my channel so you will get latest unboxing and review videos for your daily life. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.